Hello, class. My name is Latia Kirby. I currently reside in Philadelphia. This is my second semester at Widener, and I'm anxious to kind of get the class started. Um, Professionally, I work for the Department of Human Services in Philadelphia as a social worker, I guess slash case manager. And I also work at the Covenant House of Philadelphia. I am a youth advisor here, and we house homeless youth ages 18 to 21. We also help them find transitional housing as well. Currently, what I can say that I've enjoyed learning about in my past courses is probably human behavior and how to respond or address different human behavior from a social work perspective or social worker perspective. Um,